Okay, today is April 17th, and what happened is that my oil pump, the end where the distributor slides into the little groove on the top of the oil pump, that thing got dislodged somehow. So it turned out to be in my favor. I picked up another oil pump and I rebuilt it. And prior to this, I was only getting about maybe 25, 26 pounds of oil pressure when the engine was hot. And at an idle, I'd get like 18 or something like that. So this oil pump I picked up, it looked like it was hardly ever used. It could have been an NOS, but anyway, I went through it anyway. And so yesterday, I finally had the time, so I pulled out the old pump and put the new one in, set the engine up, primed it, and it's unbelievable. The engine, as you see, it's running beautiful. I have it idling at about 500 RPMs. I could drop it down, but 500 is pretty good, I think, for the summer. But you're not going to believe this though, but I am getting, when I'm going on down the highway, let's say I'm going, when it's bringing about 1,000 RPMs, I'm getting almost 40 pounds. I'm getting 39 pounds. And I'll show you right now at an idle, at a 500 RPM idle, my oil pump, my oil right now is at 38. And right now the engine is tacking at about 500. You see right there. So it's unbelievable difference. The oil pump was actually, it was bad. It wasn't, it really was a bad oil pump. So you can see the pressure coming up. I'll give you some gas. It goes right up to 40 pounds. So that was a good thing. So I'm glad. I'm really glad that that thing came dislodged. What a difference. And now I have the car really timed well. It's running great. This car has always been running great, but now it seems to be running even smoother. You can see it right now. So anyway, there you go. Another day in the life of my Packard. I'm still bringing it up to Ross Miller the first week in May, and he's going to put front spring bushings in on my rear springs. The back one is a shackle, but the front is just a bushing. I'm going to have him put a new headlight switch in it and take care of that, because the switch I have in here right now is just pretty bad. It really is. And I'm going to have him just go through the car. I'm planning on possibly taking it up to upstate New York with my friend Jimmy. He's up by the Canadian border in Elizabethtown in September, I guess. But I'm getting a lot of stuff. Just make sure the car's really sorted out. So that's it. Another video of my Packard. Hope you enjoy it.